Kids Leap Island, unlocking every child's potential. Stay connected for your transformational children's stories and fun learning videos.
How to eat by yourself. Hi guys, are you ready to become a superstar eater? Let's talk about how to eat by yourself. Eating by yourself is a big kid skill that's so much fun to learn. Not only will you feel like a grown-up, but you'll also get to enjoy your favorite foods in a whole new way. Here are some cool tips to help you master the art of eating by yourself. Start with small bites. Yes, take tiny bites like a little mouse. Use your fingers. Pick up small foods like bread or yam or grapes or crackers with your fingers. It's like a fun puzzle. Hey, don't forget to wash your hands before eating.
La 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 la.
Try a spoon. Scoop up yummy foods like yogurt or applesauce or rice with a spoon. You got this? Chew slowly. Yes, enjoy the moment. Savor your food like a happy hippo. Drink from a cup. Take sips from a big kid cup like a superhero. Remember, it's okay to make a mess sometimes. That's all part of the adventure. So, go ahead and grab a spoon, fork, or even your fingers and dig in. You're a superstar eater and you can do it. Happy eating, my friends. Eating by yourself is so much fun.